guys, this is Brent's Amazing Toys, and today we're going to review
the LEGO 30531 Ninjago Masters of Spinjitzu, sons of Garmadon Polybag. There are 33 pieces. It's for ages 7 and up.
Now let's open this up. Here are what's inside. There are 33 block pieces and an instruction sheet.
Now let's build this. First, let's take a look at the biker minifigure. He looks cool. We like the look of his two faces and the flip down goggles on the helmet. Next, here is the motorbike itself. It looks nice. It has two red swords attached to the sides. It rolls pretty well.
A fun and simple build, great playability. A definite win for the Ninjago fans out there. That's it guys, please click the subscribe button to get updates on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, bye!